So I have some slides. You guys will have a presentation, usual launch deck from us. As usual, the package will be delivered. So I'm not going to go through the slide. Okay? You're not here to just read me the slide. I don't know how to read that slide. I'm here to keep the promise. Last year's, we ask everybody's phone tucked away, put it in the envelope, yada yada yada. Now, this is all over. Okay? So take a picture, take a video, do whatever you want to do, and enjoy Viva and Evolve 70 and 90. So we're here to deliver the promise. And was a challenge, I have to admit. And I've been traveling to Vietnam many, many, many times. And I stayed there even if I'm not a fan of Vietnamese food. But I was okay, I had a little minor stomach conflicts, but that's the course of doing business. So now we're about to launch first, outside of US, outside of Europe. This is a new product launch in Asia, right? This is something first. Also something first is non-China made products. eViva is actually made in Vietnam, okay? So we actually knew that there was a tariff topic, and we kind of foresee that some other geopolitical topics were happening about a couple of years ago. At that time, okay, let's think something different. Let's do something different. Our organization was actually taking that request. Okay, let's do it. This was actually really encouraging. As an MKP, we have a good idea. Can you do it? Go ahead and do it. It did happen. So, those promises that we would like to deliver, and I said we said we're going to deliver to you, and we're making things happen. And that's basically my favorite phrase, making things happen. Past 10 years, think about it. We had ZLX, we had LiveX. That's when I joined this Electro Voice about 10 years ago. That's what we had. LiveX and ZLX. Yes, there was SX for 30 years and ZX for 15 years then. I said we need to bring the new portfolio, new price positioning. And it has to be tiered approach. Look at now. I mean, Martha just showed a beautiful slide that I would really like. So we have 4 families.